Hey folks, today I'm going to try out something new that sounds really good to me. I'm a big fan of the Negg for hard-boiled eggs, for removing the shells. These things work really good, so I'll be using that today. But they came out with these deviled egg seasoning packets, seasoning mixes, and I really wanted to try them. So they have a variety pack of 4 different flavors, which is what they sent me. So we have their classic deviled egg. We have their Cajun deviled egg. They have a Smokey Ham deviled egg. And then they have a curry deviled egg. Now, these two are what I'm going to make today. I'll make these other two another time, but I want to start out and see how the original is, and I really want to try the Cajun because I'm a big Cajun seasoning fan. So each one of these packets will fill 24 egg halves. So that's a dozen eggs. I'm not going to make a dozen eggs. I'm not going to make 2 dozen eggs. So I've calculated this down for doing 3 eggs, so that'll give me 6 halves. So I've pared that down, and here's how I'm gonna make it. And I'll put all of the ingredients, the listing of the measurements and everything in the description below for just 3 eggs, or 3 whole eggs, and then you can scale it up from there. I got a feeling this is going to be really good. So, on to the video. Okay, I'm going to start by showing how to use the Negg to remove the shells from hard-boiled eggs. Just add a little bit of water to the Negg. Pop your egg in there. And you don't have to struggle. Just press it down. I forgot. And then you just shake it like this. Shake, 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 agitate. Pop the lid off, pour the water out, and easily remove the shell. It works every time. I've tried so many other products for removing eggshells, so many different methods, but this definitely works every time. Okay, we're going to start with the classic. So here I have a teaspoon and a half of the seasoning and 2 tablespoons of Kewpie mayonnaise. So I just want to give this a quick mix to mix up the mayonnaise and the egg yolks. And then I'm going to add the seasoning. So this is powdered Dijon mustard, some powdered rice vinegar, and spices. That's all it says. I'm just going to give this a good mix. Give it a taste. See if it needs any adjusting. Nope, this is fine. And this is the yolks from 3 eggs. That's perfect. So now I'm just going to spoon all of this goodness into a piping bag and pipe the egg yolk mix into the eggs. I really like using this method now. And to get that last little bit of, you just got to use your thumb and press to get all of those goodness out. There we go. I'm going to refrigerate that for 30 minutes. And let's go make some Cajun. The Cajun ingredients are the same as the classic, so that's 1.5 teaspoons of the Cajun season with 2 tablespoons of Kewpie mayonnaise. So it's powdered Dijon mustard, powdered rice vinegar, and Cajun seasoning this time. So 1.5 teaspoons. And then just mix all that up to combine. Boy, it does smell good. I can really smell those Cajun seasonings now. Okay, let's get this into a piping bag and make us some Cajun deviled eggs. Okay, almost there, almost taste test time. Okay, and then I'm going to refrigerate these as well for 30 minutes and then give them a try. Okay, 30 minutes in the refrigerator just to give them a chill, let them set up, let those flavors develop. They will be fantastic tomorrow, I know for sure, but I want to try them now. So, the Classic and the Cajun. I did label the tops, but there's no reason to label because you can tell which one's which. So, let's go with the original first. Smells good. That is really good. That is a classic deviled egg for sure. It definitely lives up to that name. It's a perfect flavor. I definitely think in this case those measurements turned out great. The mayonnaise versus the seasoning, because they did call for a lot more. What was the directions? Hard-boiled 12 eggs, add this whole packet, and 2/3 cup of mayonnaise. So that's going to make a lot. So the paring down I did seemed to work really good for the Classic. Now let's try the Cajun. I'm really looking forward to this one. Oh yeah, I can smell that, the Cajun seasoning. Oh yeah, that's classic Cajun seasoning for sure. That is really good. I definitely like that, the Cajun. It's not too spicy. It's got a nice little kick, but you can really taste those Cajun flavors in there. That is really good. I can't wait to try the other two flavors as well. These are really good. I'm gonna definitely finish these up, and I intentionally did not garnish these, but if I was gonna garnish them, I would do simple paprika for the Classic, and then I would add a sprinkle of some cayenne pepper to the Cajun because I like a little bit spicy. But all in all, these two flavors are really good. I'll put information in the description below to where you can get more information about these products. And I actually bought this, the Negg, at Sur La Table, so they carry these. I have not seen these in stores yet, but you can definitely get them online. So I'll put all that information in the description below. Well, there you have it, folks. If you're a deviled egg fan, give these a try. Thanks for watching.